What's the meaning of case history? Case history. Case history.
Case history. Case history. Case history refers to a detailed record documenting the history of a specific case, such as a medical or legal case. This record often contains information about the presenting problem, the patient or client's background and relevant personal details, assessments that were conducted, diagnoses made, treatments administered, and other relevant information. Having a thorough and accurate case history can be crucial for effective decision-making and treatment planning. By analyzing the data contained within a case history, medical professionals or legal experts can gain insights into potential causes of a problem, identify contributing factors, and develop targeted interventions tailored to the individual case.